Kiddo, what is it?
There's a monster under my bed.
Oh, stop it. I'll check, okay? Oh, there. Nothing's in there, kiddo.
Are you sure, Dad?
Yeah, kiddo. It's all good. Sweet dreams, kiddo.